You go back in there. PHD Access. I can't hear a word you're saying. What's that?
If a bike tries to go round the outside of me, I can block them off, yeah?
Look, I don't care anything about that. Do you have anything to say to your boss?
Mate.
Scaffolder, your boss probably doesn't care, right?
I haven't said that.
Two things are going to happen. Number one, it's going to go to the police. It will probably prosecute you. Number two, I'm going to put you on YouTube.
Okay. Okay.
You shouldn't be taking such risks. Shame on you. Shame on you. Look, you can't even drive properly.
Because you've made me go around that way.
Yeah, go around properly like any normal, decent human being would.
Oh, well, it's because you're a normal one, isn't it?
Telling me to grow up, that's a bit rich coming from you, mate.